In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel friend requests that you send out to people. So if you had requested someone to be your friend and you like to cancel that request before they accept it, it is pretty much easy on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now to do so, head over to this friends option, which is here, and then tap on it. And now under friends, you can see we have two options. We have friend requests and your friends. Your friends will display a list of all the people that are already on your friend list. However, if we go ahead and tap on friend requests, it will display a list of all the people that have sent me friend requests. However, I like to see a list of all the people that I sent or I requested to be my friends. To do so, head over to these three dots here and then tap on view sent requests. And then this will load and display all the requests that I sent. Now I'd like to cancel a request of one of these. For instance, I want to cancel this friend request. To do so, just tap on cancel, and then the request has been cancelled, as you can see here. So that's how you cancel send friend requests on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.